2026, this is the year the megapixel myth finally died. For years, we've been told that more pixels mean better photos. But standing here in the mid-2020s, two giants from the East have emerged to prove that it's not about the resolution, it's about the soul of the image. On one side, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra. It's not just a phone, it's a 1-inch sensor beast armed with Leica's emotional DNA. On the other, the Vivo X300 Ultra, the truth seeker partnered with Zeiss to deliver technical perfection so precise it's scaring the traditional camera industry. Are these just expensive toys, or has the compact camera officially been laid to rest? Today, we're diving deep into the tech that's changing photography forever. Let's get into it. Let's talk philosophy. Xiaomi 17 Ultra is for the dreamers. After 5 years of partnership with Leica, they've mastered what they call the emotional school, we're talking warm tones, cinematic shadows, and that classic film look. It's built for the street photographer who wants to tell a story with a single fast shot, Then there's the Vivo X300 Ultra. This is the correctness school, partnered with Zeiss. Vivo focuses on absolute color accuracy and technical honesty. If you're a professional content creator who needs your colors to be 100% true to life, this is your tool. But talk is cheap. Let's look at the hardware. Xiaomi is flexing with a 1-inch sensor and something called LOFIC technology. Think of LOFIC as a safety valve for light. In extreme highlights, it prevents pixels from blowing out, giving you a 40% boost in dynamic range. No more ghosting in night shots. Vivo, however, did something bold. They moved the main camera to a 35mm equivalent focal length. In the professional world, 35mm is the gold standard of human vision. It's how we actually see the world without that weird smartphone distortion. Pair that with a 5MP multispectral sensor just for measuring light, and you get skin tones that are scary accurate. Telephoto is the new battleground. Xiaomi introduced a 200MP periscope with mechanical continuous zoom. The lenses physically move inside the phone from 75mm to 100mm. No digital cropping, just pure glass moving to keep the bokeh and background compression perfect for portraits. Vivo answers with the Telephoto King, a fixed 85mm 200MP lens, but with CIPA 7.0 stabilization. That's professional-grade stability. And if you need more reach, their telephoto extender can push you to 400mm or even 800mm using AI that actually works. It's not all sunshine, though. Xiaomi's HyperOS 3 still struggles with some bloatware that feels out of place on a $1,600 Ultra flagship. And Vivo's Zeiss modes? They're powerful, but they have a learning curve that might intimidate casual users. In terms of global rankings, DXOMARK currently puts the Vivo X300 series at number 2 in the world, with Xiaomi sitting at number 6. Xiaomi's bokeh is legendary, but its video stability still lags behind the iPhone 17 Pro. So, who wins? If you want emotion and that Leica magic, go Xiaomi. If you want accuracy and the best telephoto in the game, go Vivo. One thing is certain, the gap between the phone in your pocket and the DSLR in your camera bag has never been thinner. I'm Tech Perspective, and I'll see you in the next one. Don and Oppos, forget to hit subscribe for more 2026 tech breakdowns.